Generally, social services, social workers want you to come down and talk to them and bring your children. They'll want you to bring the child in question, and then they'll want you to bring the siblings. Many times. I mean, every case is different, every event is different, every social worker is different, but generally, when there's an investigation going on, they'll want the children to come. So let's say it's a case where the oldest child was out of hand and the parent got out of control and it just went over the top regarding discipline. And that was reported to CPS, and that's what they're investigating. Many times CPS will want you to bring that child down, and they'll want you to bring the siblings. They'll want to talk to all the children separately, usually. And if that's the case, the children are entitled to have a support person. So an aunt, a neighbor. Recently I went down there with the family, and it was the aunt that came. And I said, this child should have a support person. And they looked at the child and said, do you want your aunt to come in with you? And the child said yes, and they let the aunt come in, which I thought was great. Better for the child, better for the family. It's better for the child because they've got somebody there and it's not so scary. And we always want to reduce the scariness of situations of kids. But the better for the family was having the aunt there, because the aunt's a future witness to say, that's not what he said. That's not what she did. These are the questions she asked. So it's kind of a built-in witness, but generally the social worker, they're not abusive to kids anyway, but in these kinds of interviews, it's just kind of better for everybody. So anytime a social worker wants to talk to your child, I suggest that they be allowed to have a support person there. That's who's allowed in with the kids, including the siblings, who will be interviewed likely separately. They also are entitled to a support person. It could be the same support person. They can't deny your child's right to have a support person during the interview.